What do you want to measure here? You just buy it.